Hello, my name is Alyssa Herbold, and I am back with another summary of one of my published blog posts on InsuredTY's website. So today I will be discussing an insurance agent's compensation comparison. So I will overall be providing you with a guide to how much life insurance companies pay their agents. So I think it's commonly heard that being an insurance agent can be a great opportunity. You can work your own hours and make a lot off of your sales and commissions. But here's an actual comparison on those salaries for these life insurance companies. So we'll start out with Northwestern Mutual. So for each company, you can see their number of agents and products offerings will be above. So their dress code is definitely business formal. They're on the high end of that very luxurious type of insurance company. Their base salary is $100 a week, and their commission is 50% for their agents. And all their licensing costs are paid for once you are beginning your insurance agent job. So for State Farm, they're a very large company. They have over 19,000 independent contractor agents. They're a lot more casual. They're known for their red polo and their khakis or their jeans. Their base salary is $0, but their commission rate starts at 7% and they work their way up to 10%. In terms of their startup expenses, it varies upon your location and whether you are directly working in their retail stores, and just overall in your individual business decisions. So New York Life, they are similar to Northwestern Mutual in terms of their business formal attire. Their base salary is $0, and their commission is renewal commission. So 5% compensation for second year plans, 10% for third year, and increases 5% for each year past that. There is a training allowance that is given for the first 3 years of your employment, but that is only if your quota is met. So if you don't sell the certain amount of products that you need to be selling, or policies that you need to be selling, you will not be receiving that training allowance. And they have an estimated 12,000 agents and a lot of different product offerings. So Prudential Financial, their number of agents exactly are not specified, but we do know that they have an estimated 42,000 employees overall. They're more business casual. They have a base salary of $0, and their commission is a 50% commission of the first year premium. Term life products pay out 40% to whomever that agent may be that is selling the term life products. And they actually have a 26-week training period where you will receive a salary, so a base salary within that 26-week period, while you're also continuing on as a salesperson and receiving your licenses that are needed. So Mass Mutual is next. Their business formal. Base salary, again, is $0, and their first year commissions are based on the percentage of the initial sales from the products that they are required to be selling. So in terms of starting out as a new insurance agent, their upfront fees for testing and training are not paid for, but they do receive $200 a week for their first year, or their first 2 years if their quota is met. So again, if they do make those sales that they need to be making, they will receive that $200, but if not, they will not be receiving that. And they have an estimated 7,000 agents. So nationwide, they have a lot of product offerings, as you can see. An estimated 11,000 independent agents. They're more business casual. They have a base salary of $0. Like, obviously, you can see that is a trend amongst these insurance companies. For property and casualty insurance policies, they have the payback commission of 10 to 17%, which obviously, once again, depends on that specific product. And there are licenses that are required for any insurance agent, but more specifically for nationwide, and these are not paid for. So for Metlife, similarly to Prudential, their number of agents are not specified, but they do have an estimated 50,000 employees. They are business formal. They do have a base compensation, but the specific number is not given. So commission payouts are given on those products that they do sell. And in terms of startup expenses, licenses are required, also depending on the state that you are selling the insurance in, but it is not paid. So Transamerica, they are business formal. They have a $0 base salary, but they do have a base pay for the first year of training. So in terms of commission, it's either fixed or based on the percentage of the said premium written, and their licenses and their certifications are actually paid for. So World Financial Group, they have a whopping 42,000 contracted agents. Their dress code is business formal. They have a $0 base salary, and they have a 25% commission rate. And this is interesting because when you actually recruit agents, specifically 3 agents, your commission moves to 55%. So that moves 30% more. So this kind of gives reasoning behind maybe that high amount of agents, because you are kind of encouraged to recruit more agents in order to move your commission rate up. So in terms of startup expenses, it's very different from any other insurance company. They actually require you to pay them $100 to start up with being an agent. And then expenses from $200 to even $1,000 are required for lodging and travel to attend the welcome seminar for these agents. So Primerica, a lot of agents across North America, which is also including Canada, because it is combined, the United States and Canada. They have a $0 base salary, and their commission starts with 25%. And then it's just based off of that sale, whatever product that they are selling. And they fortunately do pay for your training as an agent. So Lincoln Financial, they have a base salary of $0, excuse me. Their product offerings are a little bit less than other insurance companies, and their commission is not listed, so we are unsure about that amount, but their licensing costs for the agents are paid for by the company. So John Hancock, their amount of agents are not specified. We know that the base pay for them is given, but we are unsure about the specific amount. And commission and bonuses are both available for agents, and their training is also paid for, fortunately for them. Allstate, they sell a lot of different products in terms of insurance. They have 19,000 independent contractor agents. Their base salary is $0, but their commission, they have a base commission for agents, which is 9% of premiums. And they also can earn a certain amount of extra percentage points for that commission. So while training, Allstate pays their agents $16 an hour, and they provide all the necessary equipment for them to be fully certified and trained. So AIG, their number of agents are not specified, but they do have an approximate 50,000 employees. They have a $0 base salary, and their commission is not given, but we do know that they pay for the training and licensing costs for starting up agents. So Policy Genius, they are a very small company, an estimated 530 employees, and they offer different kinds of products, not a wide variety since they are still just beginning. Their base salary, it is given, but we are unsure of the specific amount. And their commission amount is not listed, but we know that once again, it is given and their training is paid for. And this is an illustration of one of their new headquarters that they will be, that is in construction as we speak. And Lemonade, just like Policy Genius, it is a very small company. They have approximately 567 employees, and they have an even smaller amount of product offerings. Their base salary is not listed. And in terms of commission, they actually have a specific advisor to have one product to sell, and then they will get 20% commission for selling that one product. And their licenses and certifications are paid for. So overall, that is just an overview of some of the many insurance companies in the United States. And so I hope that gave you some insight into how they function in terms of their agents that represent their companies and how they are compensated. So thank you so much for watching. I really highly encourage you to check out some more of our YouTube videos and more of our articles on InsuredTY.com's website. And yeah, I hope you have a great day.